guys, unfortunately the 17Ts are done. They are started smoking badly, so I have three choices, and that's just buy some new 17Ts, rebuild them, or go single turbo. Yeah, I think the best thing is go single turbo. So this is the last time the engine bay is looking like this, with the relocated inlets. So I'm gonna show you the parts which I've ordered and already received, and if they're all, if I receive them all, then we're going to start this project. But I'm also at the moment renovating my new house, so yeah, it's very busy, a lot of mess, but it's gonna be okay. So this is the stuff that I already received. With the manifold. This one is from Alibaba. It's cheap, but it looks really good in my opinion for the price. All the welds are nice, also the inside. I can show you that later. We've got the VTT bunks and things for the cooling, the oil, the block off for the coolant. We've got some heat wrap for the downpipe. Heat reflective sticker for the inside of the hood and the engine. We've got some bunks for the O2 sensors. Also a AN nipple for the coolant of the turbo. Some silicone vacuum hose. This is a BMS, BMS I think. The 4-inch filter, the big one, not the small one. We've got some tile replicas from AliExpress. I think they look real good and I think they work just fine. But we're gonna see. Otherwise we need to change it for real ones, but just to get the car running, they're cheap. We've got a PSR G35 900. I think it's gonna run okay. I've seen some videos of guys running it and it sounds really good. Oh yeah, with the T150R mod. So it's gonna sound real good, I think. Some V-band clamps with RVS, how you call them, V-band stuff, I don't know. And a 3-point max solenoid that we can run with the stock DME. Ook from Burger Motorsports, with the good adapter to just plug it in the old boost thingy. I don't know the exact name. I know what it is, but so that's the stuff that I already received. But there's more. I'm not having just one single turbo set. I've got two single turbo sets. Everything the same as this one, but a good friend of mine is gonna build a Z4 with a single turbo, same exhaust, same tiles, and same stuff. So I ordered all the things in one go, so it saves us on shipment and import duties and that kind of stuff. So I can't wait. I also ordered some tubing for making the downpipe and the screamer pipes, or external wastegates to run them back in the downpipe. So we've got a closed system, not an open one, and yes. So it's not really an exciting video, but also it is probably because we're going single turbo. We're gonna make the downpipes ourselves, also the screamer pipes and the pipe from the turbo to the intercooler. So I'm gonna film everything and just post it as a series, and I hope you like it. So I'm gonna give you a little house tour. If you like it, just stay, and otherwise have a good night or a good day. Bye! So this is the outside of the house. We've got a driveway for 2 cars, but if you park them far in the back, you can probably fit 4. So that's nice. Garden is a mess, but yeah, we're not living here at the moment, so everything closed. Then we have 2 garages, I don't know. I'm really happy with it, because in the Netherlands everything is really expensive with housing. So I'm glad we could buy this with not 1 garage, but 2. It's not as big as American garages, I know, but yeah, we can fit 2 cars inside, and that's pretty nice, because I also have an E30 that I'm going to rebuild, restoring. So this is the door where we just came in. Then it's a real mess, so hope you don't mind. This is the dining room. Then this is gonna be the kitchen with skylight. On the end of the skylight there's gonna be build a wall, so it's not open like this. And then the kitchen is the L shape. This is the living room, and yeah, we're just waiting on the concrete to be poured for the living room, and also the room for the washing machines, that's on the end. So this is the hall. Yesterday the man for the tiles from the bedroom and also the, I don't know how you call it, stucadoor is het in Nederlands, maar just to make the wall smooth, been busy. So that's looking already quite nice. Yeah, I love it. The floor is not done because we got heated floors. So what a weird line. I think it's because of the light, or my GoPro goes broke, but I hope not. So that's looking quite good. This is the front door. Then we have the staircase. So I just changed this to the fisheye lens because then it's easier to film. This is the shower and bathroom. It's really old. The toilet was also like this, so I have good hope that it's gonna be okay. This is a little attic, and on the sleeping rooms we already been busy with the ceilings, just to put little ceilings in with lights. But yeah, it's a strange form room, but it's also quite nice. This is the master bedroom. And this is the third sleeping room. But yeah, a lot of work still has to be done. We're doing most of it ourselves, so that's also why I've been very busy. I'm just started here with the ceiling. So yeah, a little house tour. I can show you the backyard. I've got another driveway, which I'm very happy about. Yeah, we can go here. Just walk on the stones. So this is the garden. It's a little seating area. There's another driveway. But yeah, we've got a greenhouse, I think it's called, standing in the middle of the garden. So the garden looks really small, but it's actually quite big for a home in the Netherlands. This is also a garden. These are the two garages. And then we've got there a little porch for biking, or I don't know. But this one I'm also excited about. It's just a street, very not busy, it's silent. I don't know, there's not a lot of traffic. But there's gonna be another, space to park the car. And the roofing is gonna be fixed. And behind, where now the old shed stands, there's gonna be another garage with a lift. So I'm very excited about that one. But that's, I hope, in the next 2 years that it's gonna be built. So first the house needs to be done, then we need to check if there's cash, and then we can build something. But that's gonna be okay. We don't need to hurry because we're probably living here about another 50 years. I hope so, or until we die. But me and my girlfriend, so I hope not to die, but yeah, that's the way it goes. Yeah, there's also concrete being poured, and this wall is coming the same as that wall, so it's gonna be straight. And there's gonna stand the washing machines and everything, the fridge, that kind of things. So yeah, it's going to be the living room, also with heated floors. So I say a lot of so, but I don't know how to speak fluently, and I need to think about every word I say. So that's something we need to work on, but that's gonna be okay. So I hope you like this little house tour. It's a small one, but I think it's nice to show you a little bit of the progress and how it's become a real home. So now it's just like a video game, so I'm gonna end it there. Hope you have a nice day, great evening, I don't know. Just enjoy life. Bye.